Today, I'm sharing a recipe that it is incredibly creamy, comforting, and full of flavor. Moong Dal Makhani. If you love restaurant-style food but want to keep it simple at home, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need some basic pantry staples. Moong dal, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, a blend of traditional spices, fresh cream, and of course, Desi Ghee for that authentic aroma. First, wash 1 cup moong dal thoroughly with water. Now, add 3 cups of water, half teaspoon turmeric, and salt. Cook the dal until it becomes soft. Lightly mash the dal to create a creamy texture. In another pan, heat oil and Desi Ghee. Add chopped onion and fry until light golden. Now add ginger garlic paste, chopped tomato, red chili powder, and salt. Cook the masala for a few minutes. Add the cooked moong dal to the masala and mix well. Now add cream, Desi Ghee, and garam masala. Let it simmer on low heat for a few minutes. Our delicious creamy Moong Dal Makhani is ready to serve. Enjoy it with naan or rice. You can find the full recipe in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.